How to use or redeem Walmart promo codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're gonna find the search box. Type in Walmart promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working promo code for Walmart. First up, I'm gonna show you guys how to get promo code for Walmart. So I'm gonna open this one website. You can also try out this one website, Coupon Follow. After you are in the website, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Walmart. You can just scroll down and check out the offers, and you can head towards any of the offer that you want to use. So here's the code, copy it, then you can click on redeem at Walmart. You will be directed to the official website of Walmart. Once you're in the website of Walmart, you can log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. While you are in the checkout page, you will find the section of code. Over there, type in your code and confirm your order. With that, you will get the discount in your purchase. This way, you can easily use or redeem your Walmart promo code. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.